Good afternoon, Standard 10 students. Today I am going to explain you the chapter 2 compound interest question which is based on half yearly. I solved some questions when it was given compounded annually. Now you have to solve the question when it is given compounded half yearly or semi-annually. Right. For example, take the principal 10,000 rupees. Right. Rate 10% per annum. A time 1.5 years. So when we calculate the compound interest given semi-annually or half-yearly, it means every 6 months we have to consider equal to 1. So 1.5 years, how many 6 months are there? There are 3 6 months, 1.5 year. So in 3 parts, 1 6 month, one part, another 6 months, second part, and last 6 months, third part. We will solve the question by using the formula of simple interest one by one. So now I am solving. SI1 means simple interest of the first half. First half you can say. The principal is 10,000. Rate. Now rate it is given per annum and we are going to calculate half yearly. So rate will be divided by 2. 1 half. So 10 by 2 means 5 and 1 half year 1 by 100. Cancel, that is 500. Now amount of the first half 10,500. This amount of the first half, first half means first 6 months. So in place of 6 months, first half you have taken 1. Rate, since it is given annually, so will be divided by 2, so it become half yearly. So half yearly rate 5%. PRT by 100, that is 500 coming interest. So this is the interest of the first 6 months, 500. Now with this interest will be added to the principal 10,000 plus 500, 10,500. This first half amount become principal for the next half. So SI to second half, right? 10,500 become the principal. The first half amount become principal for the second half. Rate again 5% and second half time 1 by 100. Cancel 105. So amount of the second half 10,500 plus 105, that is 506 10,605. Now this is the amount of the second half. Hey, now this second half amount become principal for the third half. SI 3 third half. What is the principal for the third half? The amount of the second half become principal for the third half. That is 10,605. Rate will be 5 into third half 1 by 100. 8. This will give the interest of the third half. 8. What value? 20. 5 to the 10, 5 1 ja, 5 to the 10, 1. 4 5 ja. Now 2 1 by 4. What value? 5 4 ja 20. 4 3 ja 12. Point. This one interest. Now amount. Amount of the third half third half 10,605 plus 2120 by 4. This is amount of the third half. Now simple compound interest. Compound interest is equal to final amount. Final amount minus initial principal. You will get the compound interest. This is the final amount minus initial principal is 10,000. When you subtract, you will get 8. So you will get this the compound interest of this question. So this is the way to solve the questions. Another way, if suppose principal given 8,000, time 2.5 years, rate 15%. Right. So here nothing is mentioned. Mention means nothing mentioned in this question compounded annually or semi-annually or half yearly. Right. Then we will apply what's the common sense here. 2 years is a complete year, and for the next half year we will take the rate half. This is given 15% per annum. So for the next half we will take the rate half of 15%. So SI1 8,000 into for the complete 2 years time 2. Say 1. 8. So 1 into rate 15 by 100 cancel 18 into 50. So what is the amount? 8,000 plus 1200. 0, 0, 2, 9. This is the amount after 1 year. Now this amount become principal for the next half, since half month is now there. So principal SI2 second half, principal is 90,200. Rate we will take half of the 15 means 7.5, 1 half means 1 by 100. 8. We will calculate this one. This will give the interest of the second half. Then we will find out the amount of the second half. Then to find the compound interest, final amount minus initial principal, we will get the amount of this compound interest. So this is question related to the half yearly one. So in half yearly once again what you have to do, you have to solve the same process you have to use as the annually, but here in half yearly every 6 months you have to consider one, next 6 months one. Suppose 2.5 years. So how many steps are there? So in 2 years there are 4 half. 4 half means 6 months there are 4 plus half means 5 steps you have to solve the question when you will use the simple interest formula. 8. 1.5 year compounded half yearly. So 1 year there is 2 6 months plus half another 6 months. So 3 steps. This question you have to solve in 3 steps when it is given compounded half yearly. 8. Do you follow? So you have to solve the question number second exercise A 2A. Question number you have to solve 2 second, 4th, 8. This type of question you have to solve by using the half yearly concept as well as the annually concept also. Thank you very much.